conviction for drug possession can carry some really negative stereotypes. Even if it's not true, you could get labeled as an addict or a habitual user just by having a drug offense on your record. We have certainly had clients who have become frustrated that some event from their youth was still popping up on background checks and haunting them some many years later. So, what are some defenses we use in drug possession cases? The most common is a motion to suppress an illegal search. The Fourth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution bans unlawful searches and seizures. And so any evidence found during an unlawful search cannot be used against you in court. The Fourth Amendment law is extensive and it's complicated, and police officers often push the boundaries of what's allowed in order to allow them to search cars, homes, and even people. If we can show that the search was unconstitutional, we can get the case thrown out of court. Lack of knowledge. While the defense of "these aren't my pants" rarely works, there are plenty of situations in which a person legitimately does not know that there's an illegal substance in their vicinity. It's common in vehicles. If your friend leaves their backpack in your back seat by accident, you might not know drugs were in the car until the police find them later. If you were driving someone else's vehicle, you probably didn't thoroughly search it before driving it. And it's important to know that in situations like this, you really are not guilty of possessing drugs. You have to have some knowledge that they were there. Improper testing. DWI cases are often dismissed because the police failed to follow proper testing procedures. The same holds for drug possession cases. They can be dismissed for the same reasons. The state must conduct laboratory testing on the alleged drugs to prove that they are actually illegal substances, and those tests need to be performed in a very specific way using specific procedures. Drug cases carry a negative connotation to them, so if you find yourself in a situation where you've been charged with something like this, even something minor, give us a call so we can make sure that we handle the situation properly and it doesn't end up going on your permanent record.